What's good, people? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video. Alright, y'all, so we are back with another video. I am so excited about this because I've been wanting to do this or try this food for the longest, ever since I've seen it like on YouTube and TikTok and all that stuff. So we are going to be trying Indian food for the first time.
Literally.
His first time, my first time trying Indian food. So I'm gonna tell you all what we got. We ordered the food from August Indian. Wait, what is it called? August. It's right here on the bag, Shine. Where is that? Hold on, this is. Yeah. So it's called August Restaurant and Catering. So it's located in Houston. What?
She said Indian.
So they can look it up. So I'm gonna tell you all what we ordered. So we got
Mufasa. Mufasa.
Shut up. We got August chicken masala.
Masala.
We got chicken handi.
Handi.
So I actually called and asked them which one was like the butter chicken because it doesn't say butter chicken. I asked them which one was the butter chicken. So they said the chicken handi was butter chicken, and then chicken something.
Messiah.
I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Messiah.
It's not Messiah.
How do you say?
It's chicken something.
Messiah.
No,
How do you
it's
say?
not.
How do you say?
It's not Messiah.
Messiah.
No, it's not. Not this, babe.
Masala.
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 Messiah. This boy here. Okay, so we got chicken masala. We got chicken handi, which is the butter chicken. We got plain rice. We have the regular naan, and we have beef samosa and mango lassi.
Mango lassi.
Mango lassi. So they didn't label this. I don't know which one is the butter chicken and which one is the chicken masala. So yeah, this is, I don't know, I guess this is garlic butter sauce for the naan, maybe, I think. And
is it warm?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
And then one of these is, dang, I really wish they would have labeled it. So we don't know which one is which, actually. This one might be the masala, and then this one is the butter.
But they have rice, like
yeah. And then this is the beef samosa. So y'all, I thought it was bigger. Yeah, I guess so. I thought it was bigger, but it's small. So here, you try one, I try one.
You just dip it in something?
Yeah. So we have greens. I don't know what this is. It looks like a cream sauce and another sauce. Here, you gotta dip it.
You want one though?
No? I mean, if you want to warm it up, I don't even want mine up. So I don't know what this is called, but we can dip it in it and smell it. Oh.
You touch my lip.
Okay, I'm down. Let's try it. The beef samosa.
I didn't even taste it.
I didn't either. It wasn't like a distinctive taste or like
Yeah, I didn't taste it.
a strong taste. It's like very like. It's good though. This kind of give me like a cilantro. Kind of taste cilantro-y.
It's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. That's not bad, actually. We're gonna rate it?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we rate, guys, I just want to say I really appreciate if you guys like and subscribe. That's all I want to say. That's it. It's free. Appreciate it.
Jesus.
We appreciate it. Reflect. One of them a little bit spice to it. That was not bad. I would have wished I got more.
We should have. It's good.
But on the picture, like she said, it looked bigger. So I'm thinking, you know, and then when you buy something first time, you don't want to buy more.
And then you might not like it.
You know? So, what's your rating?
So far, that was good. So now let's try.
No, you want to rate it one by one? Or you all at once?
Okay, we do it one by one.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
ready?
yeah.
3, 2, 1. on.
7.
6.
I was gonna say 6. I was consistent. For some reason, we always get the same number.
Yeah, I say 6 because it wasn't big.
The rice is similar to Africans make their rice, and the food looks similar. Like, you know when what's fufu? That's what it's called. Fufu, and they did the little flour thing. That's what it's giving like that. Giving me that vibes. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It look like it. Oh shit.
It's really, really oily. Like, oh my gosh, you get to open this. So I'm guessing this is chicken masala. And then the other one.
Anyone supposed to have egg in it?
Is it? I didn't know the other one, the chicken tikka.
Oh, that's right. Aisle.
Yeah.
Blood cleat. Aisle for days.
Yeah, I want to show it, but I don't want it to spill over. It's like a lot of oil on top of it. But yeah, let's see. Hold on. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I'm nervous. Jesus, have mercy.
La la lee.
Jesus.
La la lee.
What is that? Is that a whole chicken? That's a whole chicken. Okay. All right, babe. You first. And then this is a naan. We ordered naan. This is the naan.
A little eatable. A little eatable.
Very good.
Alright,
Okay.
come on.
So tear a piece. Get you a piece, babe.
Tear a piece.
So this is how I've seen the people on YouTube eat it, right?
So this is the fufu. And this is the flour.
This boy here. So you just dip it. It's actually good to me.
I'm gonna try one.
It's not like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's not. It has potential. That's how you did it, right?
It's good though. And then I think this is like the chicken.
First thing, I like this. I like the this thing.
Naan.
The naan. That's not bad. It remind me. It gave me that. It gave me what's the name of that?
No, this is actually good.
What's that called? What I get from the Mexican truck at work?
Low tortillas?
Yeah, yeah. It's not that bad actually. Think about it. It's a little spicy though.
Oh, I love it. I love the spice.
What's
And
that?
that's what? Chicken?
Oh, it's actually chicken in it? Now that great for Diaz. I mean, I had for Diaz.
Well, it's good.
It's not bad. It's not, oh my God.
Right. But it's pretty good.
Let me try it too. Not bad. You want to try the rice?
Yeah.
So what do you get? What do you get? Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
No, you got it.
Ladies first.
You got it.
Ladies first.
You got it.
So we did get a white rice, guys, because we didn't know if it would taste good with that bread. So we got white rice just in case. So this is the white rice.
What kind of rice is that? Balsamic?
This is right. Remember Marta gets rice like this something? It's an African rice. I think I like very bread with bread. To me. What do you think? Okay. You don't want some fuck? Why?
I need to scoop it. I like it better with the bread too.
I told you.
Yeah, it's just different. It's like a different texture of that rice.
Yeah.
So this is the mango lassi. Y'all, it's very creamy, like, and it's like if it's a smoothie type drink. Oh, you want to rate this first?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the chicken masala, I'm guessing that's what that is. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
6.
8. 6 6?
Yeah, give me 6. It lost a lot of points because I got a lot of oil. A lot of oil. I give the bread down near 6.5 to 7.
6.5, 7. Look at him. Look at him. It kind of reminds me of like a yogurt, kind of a little bit. Yeah. I think it'd be better like cold, like if it was really cold.
It's supposed to be the TSO?
It's thick though.
It's not true, but but if it's not something that I drink every day. It's probably a one and done.
It tastes like a yogurt to me, like the liquid, like the drink yogurt.
I mean, I like yogurt.
That's what that tastes like to me.
Or a smoothie kind of.
Yeah.
Like a mango smoothie.
It's good though.
It's mango, huh?
Yeah,
like the mango.
I think it would be better if it was like really cold. So now for the butter chicken, I'm assuming. This one has an egg in it, y'all.
Which I'm not gonna eat.
And it has a big old chicken. Alright, here we go. Yeah. What that mean? Oh, okay. I was mistaken. This one is the masala. That one is the butter chicken. Okay. This one is a no for me.
Yeah.
This one is a no for me. I do not like the chicken masala. I like the butter chicken. The butter chicken is good. The chicken handi, that one's good.
I mean, it's eatable. But I don't like it more than that. But neither one of them is something I'll eat every day. It's like a one and done.
3, 2, 1.
3.
1.
Bumbo.
I give it a 1, just because.
Give that shit called chicken tonight. I love chicken. Love chicken.
Yeah.
I mean, that 8.5. Alright guys, this concludes the end of the video. As we said, Babe rate the last one at 1. I rate the last one at 3. The bread is pretty good. The bread. What was the first one we tried?
The beef samosa.
That was pretty good as well. I recommend trying hot. We tried cold. I'm pretty sure it tastes better hot. Just so get it hot.
Yeah.
Get more than 2 because they're really small. The rice, what else? The drink, iffy, but yeah. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want to. It is free.
Yeah.
You're not coming in disrespectful because then it won't be free. So. So yeah, big up on yourself, much love and respect, and we're gonna catch you guys next video. Peace.